Hello, friends. So the month of August has started, and with the onset of August, the form filling season has also started. Now, 2 days back, we have seen the notification of CAT, and starting from tomorrow, that is 2nd of August, you can start filling up the CAT forms. But as we have suggested all of you, do not fill the CAT application form in the next 4 or 5 days. We will be conducting a form filling session for all of you. Before that, Gautam sir will be conducting a session on 6th of August on the application of BYJU'S exam prep, in which he'll be talking a lot of things about the notification of CAT, the different things, how it is different from the previous year, the changes, everything he'll be talking about the notification of CAT and CAT 2023 on 6th of August. So I want all of you to join him on the application of BYJU'S exam prep. If you have not downloaded the application, quickly download the application of BYJU'S exam prep and start attending some free sessions that will help you in your preparation for CAT 2023 and the other management entrance examinations. So I was telling you that do not fill the application form immediately for CAT examination, as we'll be conducting form filling sessions in the upcoming days. All right. So friends, good afternoon once again and welcome back on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S exam prep with our next session on the basics of quant in arithmetic. Now we have been conducting these type of sessions since a lot of days, and now we are at a stage where we are not anymore conducting, we are not anymore covering the basic type of questions. All right, so the level of difficulty of the questions has already increased. The name of the session is still the basics of quants in arithmetic, because we are covering the questions on almost each and every area related to arithmetic. All right. So today in this session, I have made some more questions for all of you, which are based on the area of arithmetic, and definitely level of difficulty is rising with every session that we are conducting for all of you. So friends, a very good afternoon. So who all are there? Priyanshi, Kushagra, Senchana, hi everyone. So friends, let us begin with this session of basics of quant arithmetic, and we shall begin solving some of the questions based on arithmetic. Now, like every session, we'll be solving the questions one by one. So I'll display the questions one by one, and we'll give you somewhere around 1.5 minute to understand and solve each and every question. I want all of you to be giving your 100% in solving all these questions. After you have solved, after you have got the answer, you can post your answer in the chat box. All right. So friends, we shall begin solving with the first question. So all of you be ready with one sheet of rough paper and a pen. Okay. So please do some rough work, try to solve these questions and post the answer on the chat screen, on the chat box. Okay. So first question will appear on your screen in a few moments. All of you be ready with this. The first question on your screen now. Now, a very simple question to start with. Do not worry, the level of difficulty, I have taken care of it. So do not worry about it. So just a warm-up question. Meanwhile, the other students are joining in this session. So the population of a village increased by 10% every year. After 2 years, some people died of corona and the population became the same as the initial population of the village. What percentage of the initial population was the number of people who died of corona? Quickly calculate the answer. If you are proficient in percentages, then you will be able to get the answer of this question in less than 30 seconds. Orally भी कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए rough work की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. A very basic question to start with. All right, nice. So let's quickly solve this one. So I'll start by assuming the initial population as 100. Now the population increases by 10% every year after 2 years. So the increase will be for 2 years. So after first year, after an increase of 10%, the population will become 110. Okay. Now further, the population will again increase by 10%, but this time it will be 10% of 110. That means the population will increase by a value of 11. Okay. And it will become 121. Okay. Now the final population is 121 and it should be decreased to bring back its value to the original value. Okay, so if I look at the absolute change in terms of value, there should be a decrease by 21. Okay, now they're asking what percentage of the initial population was the number of people who died. So here 21 people died. Now 21 as a percentage of 121 or 21 as a percentage of 100. What is the thing that we'll have to find out? It is given in the question. So what percentage of the initial population was the number of people who died? So 21 people died, and this is as the percentage of initial population is what we'll have to calculate. Okay, so 21 as a percentage of 100 is what we have to calculate. The correct answer will be equal to 21. All right, so 21, that is option B is the correct answer. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six students could give me a correct answer. Wonderful. So I want to see the same kind of response for the remaining set of questions. So the first question was simple. Let's move on to the next question, which is based on the concept of time and work. So question number two, it says that 9 women and 3 men complete work in 12 days. Each woman takes thrice as much time a man takes to complete the same amount of work. So the question is, in how many days will 9 men complete the same quantity of work? You can post your answer in form of option A, B, C, or D. Do not write a number, just write option A, B, C, or D. Right, Mukesh could write an answer. Okay. Anyone else? All right. Great. So let me start solving. Meanwhile, the other students who are also solving can post their answers. I've already got answers from 4 students. Nice. So the question says that 9 women and 3 men can finish the piece of work in 12 days. Also, each woman takes 3 times as much time a man takes to complete the same amount of work. So I can say that it is given that the work done by 3 women is equivalent to the work done by 1 man. All right. So 3 women are equivalent to 1 man. So here, where we are given 9 women, I can replace these women and convert them in terms of men. So if 3 women are equivalent to 1 man, then 9 women will be equivalent to 3 men. Okay. Now 3 men and 3 men, that means 6 men can finish the piece of work in 12 days. This is given to us. All right. Now we'll have to find out in how many days 9 men can finish the same piece of work. All right. Now, since we know that from the logic of time and work, that the number of men and number of days are inversely proportional to each other if the amount of work is kept constant. I'll repeat this statement. Number of men and the number of days are inversely proportional to each other provided the work done is constant. Now, since men and days are inversely proportional to each other, their product will remain constant. All right. So the product in the first case, 6 and 12, 6 multiplied by 12 should be equal to the product in the second case. 9 multiplied by D. Let's say 9 men can finish the piece of work in D days. Okay, so you can equate the product, get the value of D, and that will be your final answer. So here D will be equal to 9 will get cancelled. So 2 into 4, that is 8. So the value of D is equal to 8. The correct answer is option B. Wonderful. Good to see such a wonderful response from each and every one of you. So, question number two, the correct answer, yes, it is option B. All right. Let's move on and look at the next question. Now, be careful with the next question because the language is slightly complex for the next question. Though it's a question of percentages, but language थोड़ी सी complex है. So, be careful while dealing with this one. Now, question says that if 30% of the girls in a class are in the sports committee, and 60% of the students in the sports committee are girls. Also, if 40% of the students in the class are girls, then find the percentage of students in the sports committee. All right. Any other student who would like to answer this? Nitya Sri has given an answer. Virendra has given the answer. Virendra, good to see you. Shubham, Krishi. All right. Nice, nice, nice. Priyanshi, Mukesh. Okay. So those who could not find the answer, question says that if 30% of the girls in a class are in sports committee and 60% of the students in the sports committee are girls. Also, if 40% of the students in the class are girls, then find the percentage of students in sports committee. So let me assume that the total strength of the class is equal to X and total number of students in sports committee is equal to Y. Okay. Out of these X students, it is given that 40% of the students in the class are girls. So out of these X student, how many girls are there? So girls are 40% of X. So that is 0.4X. Okay. Now, coming back to the first statement, if 30% of the girls in a class are in sports committee, so girls who are in sports committee will be 30% of the total number of girls, that is 30% of 0.4x. That is equal to 0.12x. Okay, so the girls who are in sports committee is 0.12x. Also, one more statement is given, one more information is given that 60% of the students in the sports committee. So whatever the composition of sports committee, whatever be the strength of sports committee, out of these 60% are girls. So in sports committee, how many girls are there? 60% of Y. That is 0.6Y. Okay. So girls who are in sports committee, students in sports committee who are girls. Both are one and the same thing. So you can equate these two and find out the relation between x and y. So 0.12x is equal to 0.6y. So I can say that x upon y will come out to be 5 upon 1. All right. x upon y का वैल्यू 5 upon 1 आ गया. अब कैलकुलेट क्या करना है? What percentage of students are in the sports committee? So if x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 1. So from the class of 5 students, every one student is in sports committee. So that means 1 upon 5, that is 20% of the students are in sports committee. So the correct answer will be option B. All right. Again, a very simple question, I believe, because all of you have given a correct answer for this one. So the correct answer here is option B, 20% for question number 3. Let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4, slightly calculative. Karan gained 5% in a transaction. If the article was sold for 450 more, he could have gained 11%. At what price must Karan sell the article to gain 17%? Any answer for this one? All right. So one student up till now, Kushagra, has given the answer. Shubham. All right. चलो start करते हैं solve करना. Now initially the gain is given as 5%. But if the selling price is increased by 450 rupees, the gain will be 11%. All right. Now, since we know that profit is always calculated as a percentage of cost price, so I can say that initially the profit was 5% of the cost price, and now the profit is 11% of the cost price. Okay. So it can be said that the profit has increased by 6% of the cost price. Earlier it was 5%, now it is 11%. So it has increased by a value of 6% of the cost price. Now, why it has increased? Because there is an increase of 450 rupees in the selling price. So I can say that this increase will be equal to 450. Okay. So first of all, from here, I can calculate the value of the cost price. Okay. So 6% of cost price is equal to 450. Can anyone tell me the value of the cost price? Anyone? If 6% is 450, I can say that divided by 3 kar do ya divided by 6 kar do. 1% of CP can be written as 75. So 100% of CP, or CP can be written as 7500. Okay. So CP is 7500. This is the cost price. Now the question is at what price he must sell the article for a profit of 17%. अब उसे 17% का profit चाहिए, cost price already हमारे पास है. We'll calculate the profit. Profit is 17% of 7500. So कितना आ जाएगा profit? 20% is 1500 minus 225. That is 1275 rupees का profit हो जाएगा, which will be added to the cost price to obtain the selling price. So selling price will be 7500 plus 1275, that is 8775. So 8775 will be the selling price of this article for a profit of 17%. All right, great. So Saket, Virendra, Priyanshi, Khushi, yes, 7500 is the cost price, and almost all of you have given a correct answer. Option D, 8775 will be the selling price for a profit of 17%. Okay. Question number 4 it was. Let's move on to question number 5. Again, slightly difficult question. Slightly. I'll not call it difficult, but moderate. Moderate बोल सकते हैं इसे. इतना भी ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. So Matthew invested at Matthew invested rupees M at a rate of 15% per annum on compound interest for 2 years and earned a total interest of 3,870. If Matthew invests rupees M plus 1200 for another 2 years at an additional rate of 5%, additional rate of 5%, that means earlier it was 15%, now it will be 20%. Then what will be the compound interest on that investment? ये क्वेश्चन मजेदार है थोड़ा. Let's see who will be the first one to give me a correct answer for this. अभी तक below average question थे. Okay, easy to moderate. Now this I can call it a moderate enough question. Okay, and we will now see who can give me a correct answer for this. No answer up till now. चलिए, let's try and make the calculations look easy. ठीक है? Now it's all game of calculations. Rupees M are invested. The rate of interest is 15% per annum compound interest for 2 years. Okay. Now, if the rate of interest is 15%, it is compounded annually for 2 years, then what will be the effective rate of interest? Or what will be the percentage by which my money will grow in the 2 years? Okay. So how you can calculate it? By using the method of successive percentage change. So in the first year it is 15, in the second year it is 15. So I'll apply the formula of successive percentage change to find out the net percentage growth in my money. So A plus B plus AB upon 100. So AB upon 100, 15 into 15, 225 upon 100 is 2.25. So effectively my money has grown by 32.25 percentage in 2 years. Okay, so you can say that the interest that I will obtain will be 32.25 percentage of M, and that is given equal to as 3870. Okay, so the value of M will be equal to, let's write it, 3870 multiplied by 100 divided by 32.25. अब 3225 यहाँ से भी एक डेसिमल हटा देते हैं, so I can further write it as 3225 into 100. Okay, कैंसिलेशन करते हैं, 25 कैंसिल किया, यहाँ से 4 आ गया, 1 72 2 and 9 129 into 3 is 387, so 12,000, the value of M comes out to be 12,000. All right, this is the first step. The value of M comes out to be 12,000. Now the next stage is Matthew invests M plus 1200 rupees. So now this time he has invested a principal of 12,000 plus 1200. So it is 13,200. Now he has invested 13,200 at an additional rate of 5%. So earlier the rate of interest was 15. Now the rate of interest is 20%. Then what will be the compound interest on that investment? So again, it is for 2 years. Again, I will find out the net percentage change in my money by using the formula of successive percentage change. So it will be 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 upon 100. That is 44 percentage. Okay. So this time the compound interest will be 44 percentage of 13,200. Okay. So 44 percentage calculate कर लेते हैं, बहुत easy है calculate करना. So 10 percentage is 1,320. So 40 percentage will be 5280 and 4 percentage will be 528. Let's add these two. 5,280, 600, 808. 5,808 will be the final answer for this question. So the correct answer is option C. You all can see that I have not used calculators. Without using calculators, you can easily find out the answers of these questions if you understand how to do with how to basically deal with calculations. So if you have done approximation techniques, faster calculation techniques in the chapter of percentages, then you will be able to deal with such calculations in a much easier way. Okay, so correct answer option C, that is 5,808. Okay, chaliye. So that was question number 5. Moving on to the next question, question number 6. Slightly lengthy question, but difficult nahi lagna chahiye. Let's read it out. Mr. X went to his office via train, which ran on a straight path. It took him 30 minutes to reach the office. While returning home, he took a taxi, which took a non straight path and dropped him home in 1 hour. If the speed of the taxi is 30% less than that of the train, find the percentage by which the distance of the return journey is more than the train track length. So just have to compare the distance he has traveled while going and while coming back. Yes, any answer? Come on people, ये तो इतना easy question है. Cannot be taking so much time in solving this one. Yes, anyone with the answer? I'm surprised. Okay, at last, one student, Priyanshi, has given an answer. Anyone else? Okay, so let's say he's going from point A to point B. Okay, now he goes in a straight line. Okay, let's say he travels a distance x at a speed of s, and he has taken 30 minutes for this, right? But while coming back, he does not use a straight path. Okay, so let's say he travels a distance y. Now the speed is 30% less than that of the onward journey. Okay, and now he has taken 1 hour. All right. Okay, so we can make two relations. So while going from A to B, let's say the distance is x, the speed at which he travels is s, and the time taken is half an hour. So distance upon speed is the time taken. Time taken is half an hour, 30 minutes. While coming back, let's say he travels a distance y. Now the speed is 30% less than that of the train. So the speed will be 0.7 s, and the time that he's taking now is 1 hour. Okay, so you have two equations. You can divide the first equation by second equation to get the value of x upon y. Okay, so x upon y का value कितना आ जाएगा? It will be 0.77 upon 20. Uh, okay, so it will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 0.7. Okay, so that is 10 upon 14 or 5 upon 7. Okay, so x upon y will be 5 upon 7. Now what we have to find out, find the percentage by which the distance of the return journey, that means 7, is more than that of the train track length, that is 5. So 7 is what percentage more than 5 is what you have to calculate. So the correct answer will be 2 upon 5 multiplied by 100, and that is equal to 40 percentage. Okay, so the correct answer here is option D, that is 40 percentage. A few students, one or two students have given the wrong answer. Otherwise, yes, mostly have given a correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer here is option D, that is 40. Let's move on to our next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is slightly difficult. Okay, be careful while you mark your answer for this one. Now, two vessels K and L contain banana shake and mango shake in the ratios 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 5 respectively. Okay, so the first vessel K has banana and mango shake in the ratio of 2 is to 3. The second vessel L has banana shake and mango shake in the ratio of 3 is to 5. Be careful with the language. If 80 liters of mixtures is removed from K and poured in L, then the ratio of banana shake to mango shake in vessel L will become 5 is to 8. Find the initial quantity of banana shake in vessel L. A tricky question this one is. I'll give you good amount of time to solve this question. Don't worry. Yes, any answer? All right. Let us start solving. Now, all of you carefully watch this one. Now, there are two vessels, K and L. 80 liters of mixture is taken from vessel K. 80 liters of mixture is taken from vessel K and is poured in vessel L. So let's say X liters of solution was present in vessel L. Okay. So 80 liters of solution from vessel K and X liters of solution from vessel L are mixed. Okay. Now what was the composition of these? So in vessel K, banana and mango shake were present in the ratio 2:3. Okay. So they were present in the ratio 2:3. And in L, they were present in the ratio of 3:5. Finally, the mixture that is obtained, it has banana and mango shake in the ratio of 5:8. Okay. Now, if we want to apply allegations, then the law of allegation says that while applying allegations, the values on which we are applying allegations, their nature should be same. In this case, by nature, it means either we will apply allegations on the fraction of banana shake which is present or the fraction of mango shake which is present. You just have to choose one. Okay, so let us apply allegations on the fraction of banana shake. Okay, so in the first mixture, banana and mango were present in the ratio 2:3. So the fraction of banana shake will be 2/5. Similarly, in the second vessel, they were present in the ratio 3:5. So the fraction of banana shake will be 3:8, 3/8. Okay. And finally, banana and mango shake were present in the final vessel in the ratio 5:8. So the fraction of banana shake is 5/13. Now apply allegations on these, and the values that will come after applying allegations will give you the quantity of solutions which were taken from vessel K and vessel L. It will give you the ratio. Okay. So applying allegations, firstly it will come out to be 1/13 into 8, and here it will be 26 minus 25, 1/13 into 5. Okay, so calculating the ratio will come out to be 5:8. Now 5:8 is the ratio in which the quantities of solutions were taken. So that was 80 liters and X liter. ये वाला ratio कितना आ जाएगा? 5/8. Okay, so the value of X will come out to be 16 into 5. Right? ये आ जाएगा 16 into 5 आ रहा है? नहीं, 16 into 8. So X is equal to 16 into 8, that is 128. So the total quantity of solution which is present in vessel L is 128 liters. Right? अब find out क्या करना है? Still 128 is not the answer. Now what do we have to find out? We have to find out the quantity of banana shake in vessel L. So vessel L, the total quantity present is 128 liters, in which Banana and mango shake are present in the ratio 3 is to 5. Okay, so the quantity of banana shake is equal to 3 upon 8 into 128, that is 48 liters. So 48 liters, yes, some of you have given a correct answer. 48 liters is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so I have used the method of allegations. If you have any other method using the method of weighted average or like any other method, you can use it. But I feel that this method is the easiest. That is why I've used it. Okay, so question number 7, the correct answer, yes, it is option C. All right, let's move on. Okay, so that is all about this session. So that was the last question, question number 7. Now, friends, some very important information for all of you. Can unlock your free trial on the on the portal of BYJU'S Exam Prep. Okay, so just visit our application and ace CAT with BYJU'S Exam Prep by unlocking your 3-day free trial access on our portal. All right. Also, you can enroll for CAT 2023 and the other MBA entrance examinations test series. All the details which will be all the things that will be covered in the test series are given on your screen. So if you are looking for a wonderful test series, then you must join this one, because this test series is curated by the experts of the industry. Including me, I have an experience of 16 years in this industry. I've been teaching since last 16 years. And like me, Saral sir, Tarun sir, Naveen sir, Nikita ma'am, Vikrant sir, the complete team, we all have an experience of more than, I believe, more than 100 years. Okay. So all of us creates all these test papers and the questions. So make sure that you are also part of the test series at BYJU'S Exam Prep. Now this is the list of our CAT 2022 toppers. New batches are also available for CAT 2023 comprehensive program. I know it's a little late, but the students who want to start their preparation now must go for this particular batch for the preparation of CAT 2023 and the other management entrance examinations. Also, 100 days strategy for CAT 2023, the thing that I discussed at the beginning of this session. It's a free live interactive workshop on the application of BYJU'S Exam Prep. So if you haven't downloaded our application yet, please do download and be a participant to plan your 100-day strategy for CAT 2023 on 6th of August at 11 a.m. All right. All India Open Mock for CAT 2023. It is going to be live on 11th of August and it will be live up till 20th of August. So please do not miss this All India Open Mock 2023 as well. Friends, you can get social with us on all these social media platforms. Thank you for being a part of this session. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you once again. Have a nice journey towards CAT. Bye bye.